Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohd Hafiz bin Yaakub. My metric number is AD150051. Today I will explain about the ceramic. So I will define what is ceramic meaning. Ceramic is a material which is very hard but in brittle phase. Uh, the ceramic is from the clay. So in the terminology of the ceramic, there is two. The first one is conventional ceramic. The second one is traditional ceramic, and the second one is conventional ceramic. So the ceramic is very important in our lifestyle. So for example, the application is applied on the sanitary. Sanitary is mean about uh, sanitary like in the toilet itself. For example, the ball in the toilet or the sink. For the second one, application is for construction and architecture. So we can see mostly in the building, the ceramic is widely used for the construction. For the third one is medical and dentistry. So medical industry, some of the material of the utensil of the medical itself, it is the material is forming by the material which is the ceramic. And the last one is in automotive engineering itself. So mostly in automotive, we can see the material of the ceramic is widely used. For example, the production of the brake pad, and there are also many other applications. So that's that I explained earlier is mostly what used for the material of the ceramic. So we go to the properties of the ceramic and the structure. So we can see the property of the structure of the ceramic. It is very microstructure, which is it is too small and it cannot be seen by the naked eye. So if we want to see the ceramic, we must see under the microscope, so we can see the structure of the ceramic itself. So this microstructure is formation or made up by the small crystal, which is called by grains. So generally in the smaller grain, so we can say that the size of the grain smaller, smaller the size of the grain, the stronger and denser the ceramic material. So for the microstructure itself, there is a non-crystalline. This meaning there are two materials that are combined. The first one is glass ceramic. So usually the glass face are surrounded by small crystal by bonding it together. So as I mentioned earlier, the application of the ceramic is very widely used because it properties because it property is very unique. So among the properties or the advantages of the ceramic, we can say that it is very high hardness, high mechanical strength, dimensional stability, resistant to wear, and many else. So that are the advantages of the ceramic that I mentioned. So the properties of the ceramic material is like a type of atom that are present, and type of the bonding between the atom and the weight of the atom are packed together. So the type of bonding and structure, it helps us to determine what is the property of the material that we will have. So usually the combination of the bonds which is ionic and covalent. Ionic bond, it is occur between a metal and non-metal and involve the attraction of opposite charges when electron transfer from metal to the non-metal. For the covalent, it is occurs between two non-metal and involve sharing their atom. So we go to next explanation about ceramic properties and structure. So this bond have four types. The first one is high elastic modulus and hardness, high melting point, low thermal expansion, and good chemical resistance. So generally, metal have weaker bonds than ceramic, which is allow the electron to move freely between the atom. On the other hand, the ceramic also are very hard and is often brittle unless the material we can countermeasure it by toughen the reinforcement of other means, which leads to fracture. So properties of technical ceramic, there is many classification of ceramic that I mentioned here. The mostly used is traditional and advanced, but today in our century we use the advanced ceramic. So the classification of the ceramic is based on the composition. There are two types: the silicate ceramic and the oxide ceramic. The silicate ceramic is an oldest group among all the ceramic. It represents the largest proportion of fine ceramic product. For the oxide ceramic, they are defined that all material are principally composed of single phase and single component, which is 90% of the metal oxide. The raw material are synthetic product with high purity. So the explanation that I explained earlier is about my understanding about ceramic, the ceramic itself. So that's all from me. Thank you.